Hello everyone, thank you for watching the video. Today I'm going to take you through something which is apparently easy but a little complicated in conversation, okay? It's called the past perfect tense. And I put a few things here that I want to explain to you, how to use it in affirmative, negative, question, and also how to talk about the answers or how to answer whenever somebody asks you with this structure, okay? So let's begin with affirmative. Affirmative. Well, I said that it's apparently easy because the structure is easy, okay? We only use the subject pronoun plus the auxiliary had and the past participle. This is the participle form of the verb, okay? I will leave a video here if you want to check what the participle form is. It's not so complicated if you understand the structure, okay? I had worked, you had worked, he had worked, she had worked, and that's how we follow the structure, okay? Now, we use the past perfect to talk about something that happened earlier than something else, okay? Let's say an earlier event, okay? For example, I put an example here. I opened the door and I saw that someone had left a note on the door, okay? So, this is the present now, okay? The past. I opened the door. I opened the door and I saw that someone had left a note on the door. Somebody came to my house earlier than the time when I opened the door. So to express that, I'm going to use had and the past participle of leave. Had left, which happened over here, okay? Sometime earlier in the past. Okay, so the structure is going to be, I opened the door and I saw that someone had left a note on the door, okay? So I hope you understand that it refers to an earlier event in the past, okay? Well, I also want to point out that we use the apostrophe D for contraction. For example, I'd, you'd, he'd, she'd, worked, okay? So the structure here is very simple. I, you, he, she, using any of the subject pronouns, plus had and the participle form of the verb. And that's it. That's all about the affirmative structure, okay? The negative structure, I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Again, the subject pronoun, plus had, we also add not, and then the past participle form of the verb. I had not worked. You had not worked. He, she, it, we, they had not worked. Or also the contraction, hadn't worked. Okay? Hadn't. This is how you can use the past perfect in spoken English, basically. Okay? So now let's move on to the question section. And the question section, had. Okay? We're going to start the question with had. Had I, had you, he, she, any of the subject pronouns that you need to use, plus the participle form of the verb. Had I worked? Had she worked? Had he come? Had you seen? Okay, so I just need to put a participle form of the verb here. Okay, now with the answers. Okay, if somebody asks you, for example, had she come earlier before? ¿Ya había venido ella antes? You can say yes, the subject pronoun, yes, she had. No, she had not. Or also, no, she hadn't. Okay, which is the contraction. And that's how we talk about the past perfect tense. Okay? Now, I'm going to write a few examples. You can solve it for homework. You can post it down here on the comments if you want, or if you're one of my students, you can turn it in class, okay? Hold on. All right, here I have some exercises for you to do as a practical exercise at home, okay? So I have 4 exercises here, 4 sentences. You have to complete here with fall asleep, but in past perfect, before 8 o'clock, okay? Number 2, my neighbors asked me if their dog. Number 3, she to a concert this big before last night. Number 4, I drank the coffee that she, okay, what's the past perfect form? Okay, and just as something to remember, I want you to copy these words on your notebook: just, already, still, ever, and never. These are very common adverbs used in past perfect as well as the present perfect tense, okay? So this is everything I had here for you today. Thank you for watching the video. I hope that you understand the explanation that I put here, and God bless you, okay?